Am I on? Hello everybody. Welcome to ProntoLandingPages.com. My name is Winston and I am a total idiot. Okay, a couple of weeks ago I needed to create a landing page. I didn't even know what the landing page was, but I created one. You know how? I came to this website, I entered my name, I entered my email. I'll not tell you my email, it's a secret, you know, and I create a landing page in just a few moments. And I don't create shit landing page, I create shit hot landing page. Easy peasy. Just enter in a few details, press a button, and Bob was my uncle, I have a landing page. And why I make this video is to say you can have a great landing page as well. And the thing about this thing, yeah, ProntoLandingPages.com, you know, the thing that makes it so wonderful is by this guy on who's just he knows what he talk with relation to landing pages and shit like that. You know, look at this. I have his certificate. His name, by the way, is Alan Kay, K-A-Y. You know, and this is his piece of paper. You see this? You get that, Spielberg? Alan Kay, marketing experiments, landing page experto. Yes. He is expert in the landing page. This is marketing experiments. These guys, big glasses, not think anything is funny ever. All they do is landing pages, boom boom, every day, every minute. Total geeks. Anyway, this Alan Kay guy, he visit them. I thought there was aliens there. Anyway, he go visit them and he pays them a couple of $1,000 and they give him intense education, like really hard stuff, you know, like the sort of stuff you not find funny, you know. Anyway, he passed the education, he is landing page expert, and he created all these bloody templates on this website. And you can get one of his free templates right now. And let me tell you something else about this K guy, you know, this guy who's got that certificate. He does landing pages for the big wigs in internet, you know, like Rijkaard, Chevron, you know, Strategic Money, Easy Time, no problem. He do it for that guy, yeah? And he work with copywriters like Raymond Edward and Vincenzo Montelio and even Clayton McPeace. He work with these people in coordinating $1 million launches. So this guy, he knows what he talk. He has a piece of paper, he has the experience, and he has a template for you. So down below there is a link. It is blue, it says step 2. It is a link for you. It is a link that shows you a video of this dick, Alan Kay, explaining why and how he has this template, generator, thing, whatever, that will allow you to create a landing page in just a few moments. Totally easy peasy. So click the step 2 link below. And right now, I finish what I'm doing, which is going for a lovely walk here, and you enjoy. So step 2, you click your sync, you love it. Okay, bye.